Hello everyone, welcome to the Unleash Your Ultimate Wellness video. In this video, I will be sharing 15 proven tips to unleash your ultimate wellness journey. I'm excited about today's video. These are proven powerful tips, resources, and strategies that will help you transform your health, wellness, and fitness journey. This video is designed to empower you with expert advice and life-changing strategies to help you unlock your true full potential. You are part of a wonderful community that will be there to support you on your mind, body, and soul transformation. Welcome to the WIT. We're in this together. Tip number 1, set smart goals. First and foremost, set smart goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and also time-bound. Having clear, attainable objectives will keep you focused and motivated on your journey towards ultimate wellness. Keyword, ultimate wellness. An example of a SMART goal is, I want to lose 2 pounds each week in order to reach my monthly goal, which is 8 pounds per month. That's realistic, that's relevant, it's time-bound, it's sustainable, as well as doable. Second, 2, create a well-rounded fitness routine. Design a well-rounded workout routine that includes strength training, cardio, flexibility, and balanced exercises. This will help you build a strong, lean, and healthy body while reducing the risk of injury. If you're looking for a well-rounded workout routine, please feel free to check out the Ultimate Well-Rounded Workout Plan within the WIT membership. We're in this together, everyone. That's what WIT stands for. We're in this together. Tip 3, prioritize sleep, which is a huge tip as well. Sleep is essential for recovery, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Try to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and establish a consistent bedtime routine. Consistency is key for weight loss as well as healthy living. 4, establish mindful eating. As a certified personal trainer, I understand the importance of mindful eating in achieving optimal health and wellness. Developing mindful eating patterns involves cultivating a deep awareness of your body's hunger and fullness cues, as well as the sensory experiences associated with food. To practice mindful eating, begin by eliminating distractions during your mealtime. For example, social media. When you're eating your food, when you're eating your meal, when you're eating your lunch, breakfast, and dinner, please don't have your phone next to you scrolling through your various social media platforms. It can be a distraction. And also, when it comes to mindful eating, practice portion size, being aware of what you're consuming. Practice that portion size and you'll be well on your way. That's certainly one of the things I had to work on was my portion size because I certainly ate more than I needed to. As a result, I was almost 300 pounds, pre-diabetic, and had sleep apnea. The weight kept piling up because I was not mindful and self-aware of what I was consuming. And those are some of the strategies that can help you as well. When it comes to being mindful and self-aware, please take the time to not have your phone by you, not engage in social media during your eating times. That will certainly help you. Tip number 5, stay hydrated. Hydration, water. Water is a natural detox. I cannot overstate the importance of staying hydrated for overall health and well-being. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining optimal body function, supporting digestive regulating, as well as it's great to ensure for peak performance. It's great for just your overall quality of life. Water is a natural detox. To stay adequately hydrated, aim to consume at least 8 to 10 gallons or glasses of water per day. 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, adjusting the amount based on factors such as your individual needs. So if you work out more, you will need to consume more water because as you work out, you sweat. So you got to make it be based on those factors. 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, everyone. And just know that it's possible for you to achieve your healthy living If someone else can achieve their healthy living, so can you. In addition, incorporate water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet. And consider sipping on herbal teas or flavored water to make hydration more enjoyable. Keep a reusable water bottle with you, such as because it's going to be a constant reminder to drink water. By prioritizing hydration, you can support your fitness goals, enhance your overall health, and ensure that your body functions at its highest capacity. Highest capacity is another key topic of conversation. Highest capacity. Tip 6, manage stress. Tip number 6, I recognize and know the importance of stress management. It's vital to maintaining your overall health and well-being. Prolonged stress can have detrimental effects on both your physical and mental health, making it crucial to develop strategies for coping with stressors. We all deal with stress, everyone. That's part of life. There's ways to cope with stress. One effective approach is to incorporate relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or even meditation into your daily routine. These are practices that can help to activate the body's natural relaxation response. The body's natural relaxation response, everyone's key, and counteract the harmful effects of stress. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity has been proven to alleviate stress by releasing mood-boosting endorphins and providing a healthy outlet for pent-up tension. Goes back to one of the tips as well, everyone. It's also essential to prioritize self-care. Self-care by getting adequate sleep, as I mentioned, having a well-balanced meal, and also setting aside time for hobbies, doing things that you enjoy, relaxation, fun, because life is so short, everyone. And also cultivating a strong support network, which is another tip I'm going to be speaking about as well. Just know that you're in this journey. You're in this journey with a collective individuals. You're not alone. You're not alone within this journey. Our health is truly our wealth. Our bodies are our temple. Literally is. Our body is our richness as well. By embracing these stress management strategies, you can promote healthier living and foster great resilience in the face of life's inevitable stresses. Because life certainly will have their stresses. Tip 7. Build a support network. I can firmly attest to the significance of building a strong support network in achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So paramount, everyone, so profound. A robust support system can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability as you navigate your health journey. To create a solid network, start by connecting with like-minded individuals. You're tuning into this video, you're listening to this video, so you're tuning into the like-minded individuals. Like-minded individuals, they will be there to help you on your wellness journey, such as friends, family members, co-workers. You can also join community groups, fitness classes, or even online forums dedicated to health and wellness, where you'll find others striving for similar objectives. Consider partnering with a workout buddy, which is accountability partner, or enlisting the help of a professional such as me, a certified personal trainer, certified nutrition coach, even a certified weight management specialist. They can help you on your journey to provide that support. Don't be hesitant. Just know that you're not alone. A network's a powerful way to elevate your health, wellness, and fitness journey. We all have challenges and we all have certain setbacks in life. Just notice you're not alone. By fostering a supportive environment, community, you will be better equipped to overcome obstacles, stay committed to your goals, and as well, ultimately achieve long-lasting success in your pursuit of healthy living. That is my mission. That's my goal. Not just to help you lose weight, to help you keep it off for good. Join the WIT community for ongoing support, encouragement, and motivation from the fellow members as well as me, who's an expert. Tip number 8, discover your why. Your why is very profound when it comes to weight loss and healthy living. I certainly had to identify my why. Identify personal reasons for pursuing a healthier lifestyle. This powerful why will keep you motivated and committed to your journey. Make sure you have that well-defined why, everyone. Tip number 9, track your progress. It's essential, it's profound to track your progress. Take those before and after photos. Regularly track your progress, such as food logs, food diaries, using fitness apps. Tracking helps you stay accountable and celebrate your achievements. Tip number 10, listen to your body. Our body gives us signs, everyone. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to your body's signals and adjust your routine accordingly. If you feel fatigued, if you feel burnt out, adjust your workout routine accordingly. Just remember, it's important to have that rest. That rest is important. Tip number 11, your nutrition. Have a tailored, customized nutrition plan. Tailor your nutrition plan to your needs. Everyone's different, to your preference. If you want to have customizable meal plans, join the WIT Premium membership, which I can certainly offer that to you. Tip number 12, make sustainable changes. Just know that this is the micro approach to weight loss. Focus on making small, incremental changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain long term. This approach is more effective than drastic short-term fixes. This is a marathon, everyone, not a sprint. Always remember that during your health, wellness, and fitness journey. Tip number 13, enjoy the journey. Choose workouts. Enjoy the work journey. Enjoy the workouts. And choose workouts that are most convenient for you. That's going to help you be motivated and stay motivated. Tip number 14, embrace setbacks as learning opportunities. This is a critical key as well. Embrace those setbacks. Accept that setbacks are a natural part of any wellness journey. Use them as opportunities to learn, grow, refine your approach. Setbacks, failure. You can't be afraid to fail. Just remember that, everyone. Lastly but not least, tip number 15, invest in professional guidance. Consult with a certified personal trainer, a certified nutritionist or nutrition coach, even a weight management specialist, such as me. Certainly can help you on your journey, everyone. They can help you develop customized meal plans, overcome obstacles, and even help you achieve your goals. If you're not a part of the WIT community, WIT, as I mentioned, stands for We're in This Together. I highly recommend joining this community for professional guidance and also a supportive community. Just know you are not alone. We're in this together. And there you have it, everyone. 15 powerful tips to help you unleash your ultimate wellness. Are you ready to take your journey to the next level and achieve remarkable results? If so, join the WIT. This is community. WIT, we don't quit. Take care. Talk to you soon.